So welcome to this particular walkthrough video, this brief tutorial. I like to move my hosting files to Hostinga from a hosting platform I currently use. So for some weird reasons, they have not delivered. I mean, they have not lived up to their promises. So yeah, it's been back and forth here and there, and of course the site always going down and coming back up. Yeah, so I trust Hostinga for some reasons. So I'm moving my files to Hostinga from this particular hosting platform. So yeah, I want to walk you through the whole process of doing that. How do you get started? And of course, how do you ensure that this is done properly and of course in the right way? So take this to be the complete step-by-step guide on how this is done. Right. So yeah, find yourself just anyhow you can do it. Find yourself to the C panel dashboard of your hosting manager, right? Or your C panel, anyhow you call it. Do you understand? Yeah. So here I'm going to navigate to the file manager. So I want to prepare the files, right, for export so that I'm able to use them. So under the public HTML, double tap to open the public HTML for the public HTML of your website. So here you find all of the information. So yeah, do this quickly. Come to WP config, right click on this and tap on edit. Let's open this edit in a new tab. Yeah, you will see the reason I'm doing this shortly. Do you understand? I want to ensure that the database name is in consistency with the database the SQL database I'm going to be downloading shortly. Do you understand? Yeah, that's why I'm opening this in a new tab. So apart from that, what I do usually from here will be to select all the files inside my public HTML, and then I'm going to compress, right? So compress as zip archive right here, and then I'm going to give this a name, right? So yeah, let me give this oasis. Yeah, oasis.zip. Then I will compress this, right? Yeah, so let's compress. Yeah, this should be done shortly. So as soon as this is done compressing, we can head back to doing other things, right? Especially the downloading the SQL information as well, right? Yeah, so this is going to compress and download, right? So yeah, you need to do this. The whole of your files need to be shipped out to your new hosting manager so that you don't lose a single file. Yeah, in my own case, I contemplated going entirely to buy a new hosting account and simply only linking the domain. But then I looked at my files. I've got some blog posts that I've written here before now, and I wouldn't for any reason want to lose them, right? I mean, lose access to them. So for that reason, I want to take them off. I mean, take them with me. Do you understand? So yeah, that is what we have here. That's what we have going on here. Let's export the files and yeah, get to use them for whatever purpose we want to use them for, especially moving them to a new hosting platform because of security issues. Yeah, so the current hosting platform I'm using doesn't look secure, candidly. Yeah, so I need to move my files to somewhere else. Yeah, so this is done. As you can see, it has exported the whole thing. So I'll simply close this, and this is a folder right here, oasis. Then I'll right click on this. I will download this, right? Yeah, the file is going to download here. Yeah, this is about 210 MB, very large file. So I'll come back to my cpanel once again. As you can see here on my screen, I will search for php my admin, right? Yeah, I want to go export the SQL server. Yeah, sure, the SQL server. So what is the server name? Let's come to config once again. Database name is WP822. So is that consistent with this? Yeah, it is consistent with this. This is the database right here, as you can see. So what I will do from here will be to export, right? Tap on export right here, and then ensure that our quick display only the minimal options is checked, not custom. And of course also ensure that the format is in the form of SQL right here. So go ahead and tap on export. So it will export the SQL information as well, right? Yeah, so we are doing this already, and then let's see how it goes, right? Yeah, so the SQL file is downloaded, and the zip folder that will just the entire file is still downloading. Now what I do usually from here will be to navigate to Hostinger, right? Yeah, I'll simply log into my Hostinger platform, Hostinger right here. Yeah, let's get started with moving things right here. So I'll get the website name handy. Yeah, what's the site name? Right, yeah, here. So Oasis FL right here. So I'll come back to Hostinger. I'll log into my account on Hostinger, right? And then it's a simple process, guys. Yeah, but of course it may take some time before the entire process is propagated, but yeah, you will get to do it successfully in the simplest of forms. So yeah, Hostinger is asking us for authentication code. So let me log into my Gmail, Hostinger Gmail, to find the authentication code. Right, so I'll keep the site here, the site right here. So let's see what we have. Right, so login, your login verification. Yeah, pick this up and verify my account. So I've been a Hostinger account user for over 3 years now. Yeah, as and when this video was made. Yeah, and yeah, I'm an affiliate of Hostinger also, meaning that I get to earn some commission from recommending Hostinger's services, right? So this is not because of that, but of course trust me when I say Hostinger is a nice platform. There are several other good platforms also out there, but candidly Hostinger is one of the safest. Yes, why isn't this copying? So Ctrl C to copy. Yeah, let me pick this up from here. So let me verify this quickly. So my account is verified, and it's taking me right into my dashboard, right? Yeah, so I'll get started with migrating stuffs. I'll copy this quickly and then head over to websites. Right, so it's asking me to add a new site. Yeah, so let's see, add site. I'll simply migrate website. Right, so I'll migrate websites using backup files. I'll check backup files. I'll do next. So it's asking for the domain name. I'll paste it right here. Yeah, do you own this? I do own this. It said this domain name is registered with another provider. You need to verify it is, you need to verify you own it when you connect it to your site. Yeah, sure, I'll do that. So I'll do next. It says preparing server space. Yeah, let's check to see if this man is done. These two files, yeah, these two files are done. Let me check their location on my PC. Yeah, here and here. I'll simply cut them and put them in my desktop. Yeah, I want them appearing in my desktop. Yeah, these two files here. So I'll come back to Hostinger once again. It's asking me to upload the two files right here. I'll tap on upload, come to my desktop, and then make sure that I select the two files, right? This and this. Open. So the two files are uploading right here. So give it time, allow it to upload, and it will allow you to see what you have uploaded. Yeah, so this is the process. There is no other thing apart from this. Do you understand? So when we're done with all of this and the site is done migrating, we can now go ahead and change our name servers, right? So that the site can point to a new hosting account and not Hostinga's hosting account. Do you understand? Yeah. So this is what we are going to do right now here. So the upload is coming up. It's a bit slow. Yeah, 14, 15. So let's wait until this is done and then I'll be right back. So here we're back here, guys. This is the zip folder and this is the SQL folder right here. So this is 210 megabytes. This is 27.1 or thereabouts. So I'll simply go ahead and do next from here, and then this is what we've got, right? It says website content migration usually takes 30 minutes but may take up to 24 hours. The website will work as usual during the process, right? So I'll just go ahead and do what and submit my request. Yeah, so your migration has been successfully submitted and it may take up to 24 hours, right? Yeah. So I'll come back here to domain. Yeah, so let me see. Right, so this is the website right here under domains. I'll simply come to edit DNS right here. So I will connect domain. I'll do that quickly before the entire process is done. I mean before the entire website is migrated. So these are the two name servers, this and this. I'll just go ahead and connect them to my own name server. So if you don't know how to find your name servers on your current or existing platform, you may just need to reach out to your hosting service provider and ask them on how to go about doing this. So I want to locate my name servers. Name servers right here. So this is the site I'm moving. So let's see if we can find the name server section. Control F, name server. Okay, let's see. Domains, exactly. So my domains here. Pull up. I hope I'm able to find the name servers quickly. Right. So here, exactly. So manage name servers, as you can see here. So I'll tap on manage name servers right here. Exactly. So these are the two name servers here. I'll come back to Namecheap, Osinga, copy the first name servers, come back here and paste it here, and then do same for the second, copy the second, and then change this also right here. So I'll tap on change name servers right here. So this is done. Exactly, it says changes saved successfully, right? So this is what you need to do. You need to change the name servers, right? And then exactly, that is what we have just done here. So let's see another thing. Let's see. So name Hostinger just reached out to me right now to say my website migration was successful. Wow. So that's fast. So contact information here. Let's see. yeah, I want to see the possibility of making sure the IP address isn't going to be an issue. So basically that is it, guys. There's no other thing that needs to be done. I'll just go back to my yeah, I've changed this. Tap on finish. It says yeah, oh wow, so module could not find any existing DNS zone for this domain. Do you want to create an empty DNS zone now? Nope. So go back. So yeah, let me come back to here. Okay, so manage domain. Okay, there is no other thing here that needs to be done. Yeah, so I'll come back to my hostinger. It says if you change your DNS records, your domain will be connected soon. It may take up 24 hours, right? Yeah, so I'll just go ahead and close this. Yeah, it says it is not connected yet. Tap on connect again. Anyways, I've done all of this, right? Yeah, so I'll just wait. I'll sit still and wait to see what happens. Yeah, so let me try to check. Let me try checking the domain. Yeah, let me try checking the site. Yeah, so the site is up. It's up and running. There seems to be nothing wrong with the site at the moment. Yeah, so websites. Yeah, home, websites list. Yeah, it says migration completed. Yeah, yeah, so everything seems to be working fine right now, guys. Yeah, so this is how to move your hosting files from wherever you are hosted currently to Hostinger. I hope this makes sense to you. So from here you can go ahead and do another thing that you want to do right here. For example, you can go to the dashboard like this, go to the dashboard and then begin to make changes to your site. Do you understand? Yeah. Yeah, so this is the website IP address right here. Oh wow, so yeah, it says connect your domain to Hostinger by changing name servers to this. Okay, yeah, so let me go ahead and do that. Wow, so why wasn't this done? Yeah, name servers. Yeah, this is done, right? NS1. Okay, yeah, same. Yeah, same value for new and old servers. Yeah, so this is done. So I'll just wait for 24 hours. Yeah, 24 hours for this to effect. Yeah, anyway, so that is basically how to go about doing this. I hope it makes sense to you. So I'll go right ahead now and make some changes. I mean, yeah, So one thing about Hostinger is the fact that it allows us to see some of the malicious items that were found on our site, and then to see what action has been taken so far about it. For example, PHP config is compromised. Here, path. Find this. Here, we can just go ahead and find these files, and then we can go ahead and do what, and remove them. So this was removed by Hostinger. This was cleaned by Hostinger. Do you understand? So yeah, thank you so much, everyone. This is just exactly how to go about doing all of this. I hope it makes sense to you. So I'll be seeing you in my next content, and bye for now.